Alrighty, we're going for it here. I don't have a script, still freestyle all of this off the top. I just throw on record, I go for it. I'm here by myself, talking to a headset, looking at graphs, triangles, rectangles, and lines. You're telling me I'm supposed to know where to buy and sell based off where other people have bought and sold? Strange. Here we have continued institutional activity in the traditional world of finance. We have some heavy hitters in the economy here, Visa and MasterCard. They are two, international, multinational conglomerate type companies that run the world. They sit in a big circular room with capes and very dim lighting, and they make some very strange decisions regarding how the world works. So unlimited monopoly potential here, it would appear. They are very bullish on crypto-based cashback incentives for credit card transactions. And so if you don't know about Visa and MasterCard, they are just like Visa and MasterCard. Credit card companies, essentially, if you don't know what a credit card is, somehow it allows you to buy things with money you don't have. The more of it you can borrow and pay back, the more of it they will lend you because they like lending money to those that don't need it. However, the more debt you accrue will surely damage you for many years to come, as debt can be wonderful potentially if you can build credit and manage your debt proportionately. Or it can ruin you and put you in a hole you will never come out of for generations to come. So there you have it here in the traditional world of finance, where it's all monopoly money. Here, say, because this 20 is on a rectangle, it is 20. Now, we're looking at XLM here. We're going to recap real quick what's really going on. Drop a like on the video if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe for that YouTube algorithm. Be sure to enable notifications so you can be notified when we drop an update here. We try to keep these coming at you every day. Now, we're going to recap real quick. EngineeringRobo members already know, seen it 1,000 times, but with the buy 2 and buy 4, remember we made 64% in gains using EngineeringRobo here, investing between July and September of 2021 into XLM, utilizing the buy 2 and buy 4 again in October. We experienced 38% in gains, and using the sell to and sell for bearish combination met in November, we were saved from the crippling crypto correction that proceeded to follow. We were saved from 51% in downside when we chose to take profits back in November there. So we've been patiently waiting for bullish parameters to be met ever since November, currently coming out of a very bullish interaction with my support level. 17.5 cents has been waiting for us for quite some time now, for weeks leading up to it, and we even have an instance of bullish parameters met on the 7th of February, where we did invest accordingly. However, always going with the flow of the confirmations and EngineeringRobo. With bearish parameters met later on in February, we did reduce our position accordingly as we patiently waited for bullish parameters to return so we can reinvest, which all of those parameters were met ever since the 21st of March. So we already invested 20% at my support level. We were able to accumulate from that level ever since January here. The last time we saw it was the 14th of March. We put 20% in at that level. We put 30% when the March 21st daily candle opened and closed above the descending trend line. And coincidentally, that daily candle also confirmed the buy 4, which was the second robo advisor needed for us to invest 50% based on EngineeringRobo. So we have been fully invested into XLM ever since the end of March here, and so far since bullish parameters met from EngineeringRobo alone, we have experienced a healthy 18% in gains here. From my support level, if you were buying all the way back in January, you've experienced a good 36% in upside. And so with bullish parameters in play, we do anticipate continued interaction toward my 27-cent level, currently resistance. Once daily candles open and close above it, confirming it as support, you can invest your 20% support-based ratio at that level if you missed out on 17.5 cents here. So currently, watch out for continued interaction with 22 cents. We need further solidification of this level as support. I cannot recommend you accumulate at this level because the aforementioned strongest level of support is still going to be that 17.5 cent level. But if you missed it, you will likely want to wait until 27 cents is confirmed as support. That is a much stronger level to be dealing with. So right now, we just are patiently waiting for the next move. We always go with the flow of the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. When you have a trading strategy, you can get in and out of the market more tactically. Don't FOMO, use Robo. Let me know down below your thoughts on crypto, though. Yo. All right, so get this. The future of cashback, companies adopt crypto-backed rewards for card purchases. Companies have started to offer crypto-backed rewards for credit card transactions, from business expenses to monthly subscription payments. Receiving cashback from your credit and debit card purchases has been a long-time benefit for credit card users. However, various projects and companies have started implementing crypto-backed rewards for card purchases. Back in 2021, roughly 4,000 years ago, BlockFi launched a Visa-backed Bitcoin rewards card as a way to welcome users into the crypto ecosystem. With the card, users can get 1.5% back in Bitcoin instead of other rewards such as cash or miles, referring to air miles, planes. The same year, Venmo started allowing users to buy crypto with their cashback rewards. Its cashback to crypto allowed credit card users to spend their cashback rewards on crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. The CEO and co-founder of Paystand expressed excitement over the new offering. We believe blockchain technology and cryptocurrency is the future of finance, and we're excited to help businesses participate and grow in the digital economy. So here you have it, folks. The future of finance is probably going to be crypto. This is a first of its kind. There's nothing really comparable to it. It's been around for over 10 years. This technology is still new in terms of technology. However, 10 years is still 10 years here, and we're only now becoming more accustomed to it and opening up to it. Currently, Bitcoin trading around $46,000 US, and we have yet to see true global adoption. So I do believe a six-figure Bitcoin, perhaps seven-figure Bitcoin, is in our future here. However, only when the market is ready will we be graced with a six-figure Bitcoin. I personally anticipate this year. However, we will only go when we are ready, not a moment sooner. So let me know down below your thoughts on crypto, though. Find this article in the description. Looking at Bitcoin here, it would appear, we are still under the influence of some sell pressure. Resistance is currently near current levels, and we are looking for support. We have delicately retested $44,000 per Bitcoin here. However, perhaps further solidification of a lower level may be necessary as we make our way from this multi-month range of sideways. As we can see from the beginning of January, price action has been slipped and slapped up, down, and around, sideways here from my support level, interacting with resistance before we can potentially confirm this reversal here. As you can see, price action has broken above previous resistance present, that we've been projecting off of ever since the beginning of this sideways in January. Here we have price action finding its way above it and then returning to confirm it as support. So here we have previous resistance forming into support, perhaps allowing us to continue our way upward here toward local resistance. $58,202 per Bitcoin is where you are suggested to capitalize on some gains here, because you've been buying since my support level. And, since we bought at support and when we sell at resistance, we can capitalize on 68% of Bitcoin's upside here. However, we will remain 50% invested until EngineeringRobo suggests otherwise, because we do have a soon-to-be revealed six-figure target. So at the moment, all of our bullish parameters have been met, and we've been fully invested into Bitcoin ever since the 23rd of March. We put 20% at my support level back in January. We put 50% when EngineeringRobo was reconfirmed as bullish throughout the beginning of March. And the daily candle opened and closed above the descending trend line on the 23rd of March. So we are just patiently waiting for continued upward movements here. We will adjust our position accordingly if an abrupt change in momentum were to occur and say sell suggestions were to return. We will just reinvest at a lower level when the timing is right. So quickly recapping, using the buy for and moon back in July, your investment into Bitcoin experienced 41% in gains, and with the buy for and bull throughout October, your investment into Bitcoin experienced 39% in gains. So right now, we do anticipate continued interaction upward here toward my resistance level. But as I mentioned, a six-figure target for Bitcoin is a much more reasonable top, in my opinion. Potentially $176,000 per Bitcoin is where you are to be heavily considering taking profit and selling some of your positions at that level, because you've been getting in during times of extreme fear here ever since March of 2020, roughly 2 million and 2 years ago tomorrow. We've been getting into Bitcoin here with the fear and FOMO zone. Currently making our way toward the FOMO zone. We have yet to interact with it, and Bitcoin has experienced like 10x in upside here from the previous fear zone. And, at the moment, I do believe we are far too close to an elementary level of support. We're on the brink of a higher high, higher low consolidation pattern that will allow us to continue upward here, in my opinion. And we are far too close to the fear zone. You actually want to be accumulating during times of extreme fear, according to Warren Buffett, who has made a few dollars trading stocks in the economy here. And so when the market is euphoric, someone has to buy the top. Many traders are going to be buying in this six-figure level, perhaps, 176, perhaps $200,000 per Bitcoin. This is where you want to be heavily considering selling, because you want to be selling when everyone's buying and buying when everyone is selling. Currently, I do believe the traders causing this, short-term sideways and downside selling at the moment are the same traders that were buying during the beginning of January here. So just about break even. This range of sideways has gotten many traders into crypto and shaken many of them out. However, I do believe this was a necessary evil to allow for continued gains here toward, newer highs and then some. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Feelings and opinions do not matter in trading. We just go with the flows of the confirmations, and it always helps to have a strategy in addition to EngineeringRobo to let us know where we will need to go. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.